It's weird as I'm videoing. Okay, so I can video now. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing today. It's okay, so you guys can see me clearly from this angle. So we're going to do the perfume class over that side. I want to urinate. Anyways, we made it to the perfume venue. It's a bit cloudy here and it looks so different. Like it looked like rural, like in Texas. But I'm gonna stop. People are coming. I'm gonna stop video. The place is extremely gloomy, but I really wanted to show my outfit, but this is, oh god, every time I start a video, one vehicle come, one vehicle pass, but this is what I'm wearing. I think people passing, it's weird as I'm videoing. Okay, so I can video now. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing today. It's a Michael Kors dress. This is what it's look. This is what it's looking. Yeah. We're here to do a perfume class. We're going to do a perfume making class. And I'm extremely excited about it. Wearing, I can turn it around, let me see if I can show my toes. Wearing Michael Kors on the toes. Not on the toes, on the feet. On the feet. And my Michael Kors handbag. So anyways, yeah, it was a long ass journey. Driving from Arkansas to Dallas took like 4 hours or so. It was a long ass journey. But we're here now, and I want to save my 50 minutes left on this memory card to do the perfume making class. What has happened? We stopped. Oh, I was doing a video last night and the video never do properly. The video wasn't done properly because it was recording my audio. But what I was saying is that the food last night was not good. We went to a really cute restaurant, right? And I bought chicken parmesan. I ordered chicken parmesan. Spaghetti and all of that, but the chicken, it wasn't like real chicken. It never tastes like real chicken. It didn't look like real chicken. It wasn't giving real chicken. But the french fries were pretty good. The drinks was really good. I got a mocktail. But yeah, the food wasn't all that last night, but I'm excited about the perfume class, so let's see what that's about and let's get it. So this is how it's looking. Really cute. We made it to the perfume making room. Proper look at my outfit somewhat. It's not proper, but this is how we're looking for the perfume making class. Okay, so we have made it to the location, and let me tell you, it's a small room but very cute, very demure, very intimate. So if you go there with a friend, with a partner, with a group, a small group, you can get things done. Now we were seated, and then it was time for us to just get familiar. They have cocoa beans on the table, but because you're interacting with a lot of fragrance and smells and scents, so your nose can get overwhelmed after a time. So the cocoa beans is supposed to like clear, give your nose or nostrils a palate cleanse, so to say. So we had a sheet of paper and we had the opportunity to write down the different fragrances that we wanted to use. Just test them out. There were a lot of fragrances, all the top fragrances that you can think of. They were there, and then we also had some on the shelves. So you were able to just find your way around, figure out what fragrances speak to you, what you wanted to make into your own personal combination. I am a fan of Chanel number 5. They had some summer fragrances as well. They had some fruity fragrances. And I was able to mix them all together and create my personal blend that works best for me. And let's get into making all this.
This is what you're gonna do. Okay? You're gonna put them on the card. You're gonna put like little dots, okay? You're gonna put them right next to each other, but not too close because you don't want to contaminate the other vials, okay? Alright, and then you'll take you one from your pink, one from your blue, and I'm just grabbing some of these. And then my suggestion is if you like what you're blending together, I would write the names on the card strip, and then that way you can go back. You're going to set it aside and do your next blend. Set it aside. And then what you're going to do, you're going to smell it. See if you like it, bless it. And then set it aside, and you're going to go back and smell it, okay? Because, you know, when it settles, it smells different, okay?
So one thing about me, I'm going to lock in and focus. So we had the opportunity to test out the different fragrances that we liked, right? And then we had the opportunity to write them down, make a note. We also got some strips of paper as well, where we can mix the different notes on the paper, and then just shake the paper. So just shake the paper a little, and then you're able to smell it and test, you know, what it would smell like, what the combination would be giving. So here I'm just putting the different fragrances on. We had the opportunity to put 3 to 4 fragrances and then mix them together. The cocoa beans came in so handy because it helped to take away like the extra fragrance and just give your nose as I said, a nice nostril cleanse before you test out each fragrance. And this is my combination. So coming in real quick again to talk about my experience there, I will say that it was good. If you're there with a partner or with a friend, it was quite intimate. And then after, it was time where they took our notes and they went in their back room and they actually started to make the perfume. So they'll take each fragrance and put them together, mix them together. They put a small amount of alcohol because they said that the alcohol helped to keep all the properties of each fragrance together. It provides a bit of spray when you're actually spraying out the perfume. So here she is mixing it. It's like a chemist. So she's mixing each fragrance, ensuring that the right amount is there, the right amount is involved. Hold on, she's saying something, so listen up.
Now this one, okay, so coconut oil, if you would have got the roller, that's based with the coconut oil. Okay. But this is going to be based with alcohol. Okay.
Alcohol.
Yeah, because it's a spray.
Oh, I see.
Nice. So
the alcohol won't take away from it, because I know like perfume you normally use like less alcohol.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna.
And she was indeed right. Like, the alcohol did not take away from the fragrance. I'm not going to lie. It smells summery. It smells citrus. It smells strong. It's long lasting. I love that perfume, and I think I'm going to use it like twice. I'm saving it. But this is what we're looking for the perfume making class. So reading from a list that I have here, so mine had in Wild West, which was like a peach scent. I had Sangria White. It had Morning Roma, Mango Mandarin. So it was very summery. Summer Strawberry. It had Gucci Bloom, and I think those were, and Spice Plum. Maybe. It had in those flavors, scents, and it was really, really good. It's long lasting. I'll speak more about it in my next video, so stay tuned for that for all the details. Bye.